Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're joining virtual meetings on Microsoft Teams but don't always want to be on camera, maybe you need a little privacy or just prefer voice-only calls, this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the easiest, foolproof way to turn your camera off in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to control your camera before and during a meeting so you stay in charge of your privacy every single time. Open Microsoft Teams. First, launch the Microsoft Teams app on your computer or mobile device. If you're not already signed in, just enter your work or school credentials and log in. Once you're in, you'll see your Teams dashboard with chats, calendar, and meetings. Start or join a meeting. To get to the camera settings, you either need to start a meeting or join one. From the main interface, click on Meet Now or select a scheduled meeting from your calendar. This will bring you to the meeting setup screen. Turn off your camera before you join. Before you officially enter the meeting, look for the toolbar at the bottom or top of the preview screen. You'll see a camera icon that looks like a small video camera. Here's the key. If the camera icon has a line through it, your camera is off. No one in the meeting will be able to see you. If the icon looks normal without a line, your camera is on. Simply click the camera icon once to toggle it. Make sure it shows the line through it if you want to keep your camera off when you join. Turn off your camera. During a meeting, maybe you joined with the camera on and want to turn it off mid-meeting. No problem. On the meeting screen, hover your mouse or tap the screen on mobile to reveal the meeting controls. Click the same camera icon and it will instantly switch off. You can also turn it back on anytime by clicking it again. And that's it. Simple and stress-free. Now you know how to control your camera in Microsoft Teams, whether you're joining or already inside a meeting. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.